It's a beautiful Florida morning and we are out walking the dogs, and today we're heading over to the Tampa RV Show. We're hoping to see some friends, see some really interesting looking RVs. We're going to try to find the most expensive RV at the show so we can give you guys a tour of it. And we're also hoping maybe we can find the least expensive RV at the show, or maybe the smallest. I'm Jeff. That's Kathy back there with Oliver. And this is Miles and Smiles. I still haven't found the biggest or the most expensive RV here at the Tampa RV Show, but I think I may have found the smallest. Look at that. You got your TV, you got your air conditioner, radio, nice little mattress, vent fan. What more do you need? And all for $89.11.
Pretty small.
But comfy looking.
Yeah, not bad.
If all you want to do is go to bed.
Right. What about on a rainy day? I wonder what people do when it's raining all day.
Ooh.
Stay in bed all day and watch movies. No.
No.
Not for us.
We're going to do a whole video about traveling with pets, but these are great spill-proof dog bowls. They're easy to fill, easy to clean, and they really work. $19.95 at Lazy Days RV. Now we're moving into big coach country.
Hi everybody.
Oh, that's
Daniel with Millennium Luxury Coaches. Come see me. This is just storage. Actually, all these bays are made specifically by customer request. So everything is custom made. I mean, we do have hard bays that have, electronics and/or plumbing in them that we can't move. However, anything that this is customer requested. That refrigerator, that kitchen. This is just customer requested. This is just storage. Believe it or not. Oh. So in case you have a body.
Yeah,
something like that
say,
you need to transport with you. Bam, there you go.
We got Uncle Joe right there.
Bob's your uncle.
You don't say mother-in-law beside you.
It's your mother-in-law, Gerard. Funny.
So what is it that makes the Prevost such expensive and good RVs?
Well, the Prevost chassis is a 1,000,000-mile chassis. Now, as a converter, you have different Prevost converters. As a converter millennia, that's what makes us different is the service. Obviously, like I just told you, We're going to have up to three pre-positioned vans in case any kind of service is needed around the country. And if we can't fix it, troubleshoot it, we're going to put a tech on the plane and come out and get it for you. So it's really about the service at this time. Attention to detail. The Prevo is a 1,000,000-mile chassis. So. When the coach comes to us, it's completely empty. We do everything on the inside. Everything is custom made for the customer's request. We do everything, of course, with top quality everything. There's 1,700 man hours just in our cabinets and our furniture. Everything is done under one roof. We make all that stuff out of Italian poplar wood. Our veneer comes from Holland. Everything is done to the very, very best of human ability is what I think. Because everybody that works out there is a craftsman. If you remove your shoes, that'd be super.
All right.
First thing you need to know is just drink it in. Just drink it in. Go ahead, guys.
Yeah.
I'll follow you in.
Wow.
So as I said, everything is done under one roof. When the shell comes to us from Prevo, it's completely empty. Nothing that you see here is in here. The only thing that comes to us is a driver's seat. So everything is created, made, craftsmen are at work doing this stuff from stem to stern. Everything you see, we have done. We go through a quality control process that is absolutely attention to detail. It goes to a point where the fellow has a list of things that he's found, and we're talking about the tiniest of tiniest things. There's a chip in something that nobody will ever see, like in a tile under like here. They'll find those little things, and we'll fix them. So it's about service and attention to detail. When you really join the Millennium family. So the veneer matches, of course. And you'll never see a seam in any of our furniture. We have one lady that her entire job is to seal the seams. So you never see one.
Wow.
It's impossible. System that puts heat through the floor. And then we also have a radiant floor, of course. This particular floor is porcelain tile that looks like wood. But it's really just, I love this floor. There's a little more storage here. And again, backup controls. All this stuff works perfectly.
Yeah.
There's no shimmies, no shakes, no bigs, no that, no this, nothing. So all of your stuff, anything that you want to control from your climate, then you just pick where you want to go. So we're in the stateroom. We're a little too hot or a little too cold, so we want to cool it down a little bit. And then turn it on. Cool. That's a one-piece shower that we actually construct. That's where your dishwasher's at.
And
You have your microwave.
microwaves in there with convection.
Yep, convention. Convection. I can use words.
Convention.
There are two Apple Minis on the bus. One controls the operating systems, and one you can slave off into your laptop and you work from here.
Your little home office.
Exactly.
Suspense.
And again, this is all done by request of the customer. This, of course, comes in every one. But if you wanted a TV over here, if you want a passenger TV, you can do that. You have your sound bar up here. There's two satellites on top. One for while you're in transit, and one that when you stop will actually focus in on satellite so that all of your channels come in HD. It's pretty neat.
Very nice.
Any questions?
You're raffling this one off, you said?
Well, this one I'm actually giving a deal today. Today only. If you buy two, $10 off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.